So there are hundreds of docking stations available today. You may be wondering if this one is worth it, if it's unique compared to the others, but I'm telling you right now, this one is different. We are going to dive into Vobot's new product, the Vobot Mini Dock. But before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Unboxing the Vobot Mini Dock is a treat. Alongside the sleek dock, you're greeted with a surprise Bluetooth game controller. Stay tuned to see how this gem enhances your experience. We will try it later, and I'll also give you a review of this small controller to see if it's good or not. Note that the controller is not included with the dock, you need to buy it separately. So that's it for the unboxing. Now on to the design. Prepare to be amazed. The Vobot Mini Dock isn't your average docking station. It boasts a futuristic design with a captivating dot matrix display and a vibrant LCD screen. Plus, its smoky translucent shell gives a nod to vintage gaming consoles, adding a unique flair. I also love that there's a grip below, so it won't easily slide on your setup. That's a huge plus for me because some docks without grips just slide on your table when you use them. Packed with features bound to impress, the Vobot Mini Dock is a game changer. From its sleek design to its transparent back panel, every detail is crafted to elevate your workspace. It's a premium dock that makes your desk setup pop. But the real magic is in its connectivity. It offers 7 ports, 2 USB-C ports on the left, and at the back there are 4 ports, which are the PD 100 watts input, HDMI that supports 4K 60Hz, Ethernet port, and a USB 3.0 port. On the right side there are the PD 90 watts port, a scroll wheel, and a menu button. This dock ensures seamless linking to all your devices. Enough with the aesthetics. Let's move on to performance. Whether you're charging your laptop, extending your screen, or indulging in retro gaming with a built-in emulator, the Vobot Mini Dock adapts effortlessly to your needs. Doubles as a desk accessory, decluttering your workspace. It's a docking station with a screen and built-in apps, a portal to web info and work efficiency. As they have stated, the smart features of the Vobot Mini Dock elevate it further. From Pomodoro timers to a real-time weather app and stock updates, it's not just productivity tool. It's your personal assistant, keeping you organized and informed. To set it up, you just need to plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi using your phone, and you're good to go. And with regular updates, it's only going to get better. What sets it apart are its myriad features and application. From built-in apps to customizable interfaces and even an NES emulator. There's something for everyone. Setting it up can be a bit challenging, but with patience, you'll be up and running in no time. While navigating the menus may feel clunky, the functionality more than makes up for it. Vobot also states that you can code your own apps. You can create anything you want and showcase your innovations. There are 2 features I particularly like in this mini dock. It's the built-in NES emulator and the weather app. It just gives an awesome look to my desk setup. For the NES emulator, there are tons of games to download, and what I love is that Vobot has made it easy to download these games. You need to use your phone to download them. Just scan the QR code from the Vobot Mini Dock and follow some easy instructions, and voila! You can play NES games from Mario, Castlevania, anything you like. But the thing that I didn't like is the included controller. It's a bit small, harder to click buttons, and has very sticky analog sticks. Very hard to move around. I just really hope they had made this stick a D-pad for much easier use since you'll only be playing NES games with this device. But overall, it's an amazing experience. Come on you guys, playing games on a dock? This is brilliant. So there you have it. The Vobot Mini Dock redefines docking stations. With its revolutionary design, versatile functionality, and commitment to innovation, it's a must-have for elevating your workspace. Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary with the Vobot Mini Dock. Just trust me, I know you won't regret it. So the question for this one is, who is it for? It's perfect for tech enthusiasts. The Vobot Mini Dock is sure to elevate any workspace. Is it worth buying? Absolutely. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast or a casual gamer, the Vobot Mini Dock has something for everyone. It's slick, feature-packed, and a must-have for any desk setup. It's available now on Kickstarter if you want to check it out. I'll put the link on my bio and in the description below. So that's about it. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to support it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.